Ram 1500 Revolution. Here is Ram's future electric truck. In the race to electrify full-size pickups, Ford struck first with its F-150 Lightning. Then it was General Motors with the GMC Hummer EV, Chevrolet Silverado EV and GMC Sierra EV which entered the race. At the start of 2023, it is Ram's turn to present its future electric model, in the form of a concept. It was during the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas that Stellantis unveiled its vision of the electrified pickup truck with the Ram 1500 Revolution. Here are 5 things to know about it. Not yet the final model. The vehicle you have in front of you is not the electric Ram 1500 that you can buy, it is still a concept. The production model will be presented later this year and should be marketed in 2024. If the design of the truck pleases you, know that Ram has specified that the production version should retain much of the lines of the concept vehicle. A version with a gasoline engine. A few days after the presentation of the vehicle, Ram specified that the production model would be available with a gasoline generator, range extender. The combustion engine would have the mission of recharging the battery, but not of turning the wheels, like the late BMW i3 which also offered this possibility. By marketing another technical solution than Ford and General Motors, which only use batteries, Ram could appeal to buyers worried about the reduction in autonomy in winter or when noticing heavy loads. Innovative interior design. Ram has provided sliders in the cabin for the seats and the center console that can be arranged according to the needs of the occupants. There are also identical runners along the entire length of the box, which makes it more practical. We also note the presence of a retractable partition between the box and the cabin. A layout that allows you to load objects that can measure up to 18 feet. Far longer in length than any long bed pickup on the market today. Another advantage of this famous partition, jump seats fixed on it make it possible to have a third row of seats. These are removable, to maximize interior space with only 2 rows of seats. A trunk in the front and the famous Ram boxes. Like many electric vehicles, the Ram 1500 Revolution can fit stuff in a front trunk. The capacity has not been communicated, but it seems to us smaller than the Ford F-150 Lightning in the photos. Ram box storage spaces are also present. Electrically controlled, their width is also greater than on board the gasoline-powered Rams currently sold. Still, in terms of practical aspects, the antagonistic doors free up a huge space for climbing aboard the cabin. However, it is possible that this provision will disappear in the final vehicles. Indeed, it is more difficult to maintain sufficient rigidity during crash tests with such doors. Some numbers. The American manufacturer has not revealed all the technical data retained for its future electric truck. For now, we know that the Ram 1500 Revolution will benefit from all-wheel drive thanks to 2 motors, one in the front and one in the rear, but we do not know its power. The truck will also have 4-wheel steering, with rear wheels that can swivel up to 15 degrees. Battery capacity and total range have not yet been disclosed. But Stellantis still specified that the Ram Revolution would benefit from 800-volt technology and that charging on a 350 kW fast terminal would make it possible to recover 160 km of autonomy in 10 minutes. Finally, Ram also presented a charging station for the home with an evocative name, the Ram Charger, which makes life easier for owners, in particular thanks to induction charging technology.